Today we are unboxing magic foam.
Hi guys!
Today we are back to another video.
Today we are doing another unboxing video.
With my brother Roman Aiden and Dougsan, guys.
Yeah guys, and so today we are going to unbox magic foam.
So, magic foam, guys. Okay, guys, if you guys do not know what is magic foam is like a ball, tiny balls. That is called foam, guys. And magic foam, it is like we can make any like animals, characters, creatures, and your imagination, guys.
And guys, if you guys can see the magic foam, you guys can make even animals like octopus. So they have put even step 1, step 2, step 3. We might even do that. And the back of the packet is still the same, guys. You guys can make, they are showing you can make like an animal, guys, very nice. And even like a doll, if you guys can see. And yeah, and guys, this is, and they have put up there mainly this is up 3 ages. And guys, surprise, that's another dinosaur magic foam, guys. So we're even going to play with that even, guys. So in the back of the box, guys, if you guys can see, this just the same, guys. They have put no mess, never dry out, and they have put it's very squishy, guys. And they're just showing that you can make dinosaurs very squishy, variety of colors, guys. And yeah.
Okay, guys, now we're gonna unbox it.
So are you guys ready?
Yes!
So we're going to open it.
Wow!
We are opening it, guys.
Let's move this aside.
Yeah. Okay, guys, now we're going to take the magic foam out.
Also so sticky.
Not that sticky, actually.
Yeah.
I'm taking it one by one,
It
guys.
looks like a spider web.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, so if you guys can see, we take it out. So
Yeah.
look at it. It's very easy to
Easy.
mold. Very
to
easy.
mold,
can
guys.
make
And another
anything.
thing, guys, to be honest, we are being honest, guys. It is very slimy and like for me, and it's sticky, guys. And it is little bit like the color is like little bit coming out. That's it. But it's not a big thing. It's not like coming a
You
lot.
can make anything, guys.
Yeah, guys.
Guys, I like this toy. It's so cushy. Whoa, we can make anything. A spider, or animal, or rhinoceros, anything. I like this. Whoa.
This is all of our animals and gadgets. So this is a cute turtle. That's an aeroplane.
By me, guys. Douglas, you tell who all made this. This is by Dougsan, by me.
And that's a truck. You guys
I
can
made
see.
that, guys. And that's by Aiden.
Snake.
Yeah, guys. And that's a snowman that Aiden made, guys. It's very cute, guys. And that's a cake. Also, Aiden did that even, guys.
Guys, that's a little caterpillar.
I made that, guys.
Guys, you guys can see.
A pot and spoon, guys. Dougsan made it, guys.
Yeah, guys, and you guys can see a star.
Fish and a big octopus. These two, Aiden did it, guys. And we can come up here. That's a tiny mouse that I made, guys.
Yes.
Douglas, guys. Myself.
And this is Aiden made, guys. You guys can see a cute little teddy bear, guys.
And this one also Aiden made. It's
A
like
computer.
a computer, guys. You guys can see the mouse, the speakers. Yeah, guys. And Dougsan made an elephant, guys. It's very nice, guys. It's a black
Wait,
elephant.
let me show you properly for you guys.
You guys can see the details.
See, guys.
And I made iPhone 11 Pro, guys. You guys can see the Apple logo, the buttons, down, and the screen, guys.
And guys, this is Douglas made, guys. You can see
It's Valentine's special, guys.
with the heart, guys. You guys can see there.
You guys can see up there, guys, there's a heart. Like a man is giving a heart, guys.
Guys, this is I made, guys. A very cute owl, guys. You guys can see with the bow. And
I made, guys, Jordan Air Ones, guys. You guys can see.
Among Us, guys. You guys can see the backpack, everything, all details, guys. Pretty sick, guys. So we are going to play, guys. It was so fun, guys. Don't forget to like,
Share and subscribe. Peace.
Dougsan channel.